Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix the Witcher 3 Wild Hunt game not launching or not opening, stuck on black screen or won't start error on PC. So let's go through the method. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game, you just have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure these requirements are necessary to play the game hassle-free. So after that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. So select the game application. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. Select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through Firewall. So for that, go to the search option. After that, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on Firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through Firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -TX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -TX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update. Here you have to click on check for update. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the driver a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288. In the maximum size, you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time. It will verify the game files, and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So click on repair, click on yes, wait for some time. Once you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC, and when your PC restarts, again launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, you have to click on add a desktop app. After that, you go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to update system BIOS. So for that, you have to first check the motherboard model first, and after that, you have to follow the instructions to update your BIOS and then check if the game is launching or not. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam and select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, after that, launch the game and check if it's working now. Just to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So it's suggested to lower the graphics settings, and also suggested to turn off the anti-aliasing feature, and after that, try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, Click on manage, now click on uninstall and then click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from PC. After that, restart our system, and after that launch Steam and again reinstall the Witcher 3 Wild Hunt game, and finally click on the play button to check if it's working now.